Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have what matters: a signed-in Google account and a 360 degrees photo. Open the Street View app and tap the plus to create a new photo. If you used a dedicated 360 camera, import the stitched equirectangular image now. Make sure location permission is enabled so the photo gets the correct GPS tag. Once the photo appears, check horizon and framing. You want recognizable landmarks and minimal motion, blur, so Google can place it accurately on the map. Now position and orient your panorama. Tap Edit Location and move the marker precisely to the curb or doorway where you stood. GPS can be off by several meters, so manual placement matters. Then set the viewing heading so the default forward view points toward the street or entrance. If there are adjacent street view panoramas, connect them by linking or snapping to existing nodes. This improves navigation and makes your upload integrate seamlessly. Make sure timestamps and privacy blur options are set before continuing. You're ready to publish. Add a short title or description if helpful, confirm visibility, and tap Publish. The app uploads the image and starts processing. It may take minutes to hours to appear on Google Maps depending on load. Once done, verify placement and navigation links. If the photo winds up in the wrong spot, edit the location immediately or delete and re-upload the corrected image. Troubleshooting tip: if processing fails, re-export the image at standard equirectangular resolution and retry with stable Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.